We're now on the 9th floor, yung isang view ng condo. Isa to sa mga amenities nila. So this is one of the 3 swimming pool. So dito kami now. So ito yung view sa 9th floor. So hindi siya so super high up pero it's still a good view. So ito yung 360 view ng condo, and then the other things sa condo, then and this is the other view. So yung river view niya, yan yung building na to that you could see, that one is called Breeze. So ito yung pinakaunang project. Then this other condo is called Politan Aqua. So ito yung nasa may kami parang playground. So this is really very relaxing, and also meron siyang maliit na playground for the kids, which is tuwang-tuwa dito yung bunso ko. Yan. So this is the playground. So if you wanna relax, you could just sit here, pero medyo malaki, may sablay sa design nitong na to. But yeah, here's the kids playground. Maliit lang siya. Then papunta tayo sa pool. So walking up na to go to the pool. This is the view of the pool here. Halos walang tao, kaya kung mahilig kang maligo, pwede mo tong puntahan. So meron pang isa sa 56th floor, tapos meron pang clubhouse na meron din uling sariling pool. So as you could see, although hindi siya high view, pero infinite pool pa rin siya, and makikita mo yung kabilang side, as you could see that one, sa baba ng building, yan yung MRT Purple Line. So medyo malalim din yung pool, pero I haven't tried swimming here yet. More on sa 56th floor ako naliligo kasi nga sobrang ganda ng view dun, pero ganda din as you could see. Then pag nandito ko na banda sa may parting dulo, meron siyang pababa. I don't know kung anong dito, anong plano nila, parang siguro jacuzzi to na hindi natuloy. Then from here mabobview mo yung market, and then yung isang building na yun, yung sa Palay condo, medyo malaki din yan. So yan yung market, itong baba na to. Then here's the view of the condo, sorry, of the pool. It's really very relaxing. So I'm now going back. Tapos puntahan natin yung isang amenities. So paakyat tayo ng technically second floor nitong 9th floor. para i-check yung other amenities. Kasi aside from the gym upstairs, meron ditong boxing room and also kids room. So one more look at the pool. Yeah. So we're now going up. Ito yung boxing room. So pasok tayo. So as you could see, ang laki niya. Meron siyang 4 na boxing bag. So yan, boxing bag din. Ito yung ring. So if you want to try, andito yung mga yung mga things na pwede mong magamit. So malaki siya. Then may sarili din siyang locker. Just in case may lalagay ka habang nagpapapawis ka, pwede mo ilagay dito. And kung may ka-sparring ka, pwede dito. So far, testing the gym, the bag. Talagang isa ito sa, I think soon, subukan natin na talagang mag-workout. So labas tayo. Nick. And this is the kiddie pool for the kids. So I think that's the tool. And also you could go up sa 50 seconds. So that's one of the amenities here in the 9th floor.